Hello students, how are you all? Hope that you all will be fine. Students, let us continue with your topic sets, your exercise 1.6. The basic concept that we are using in the 1.6 exercise is, if students number of the element of the set A that is given to you, number of the element of the set B that is also given to you, and here is their union, and this is the intersection that is you have, students. Now how we will make the relation between them? Always remember, number of A union B, this is equal to number of the element of the set A plus number of the element of the set B minus number of the element of the set A intersection B. So this is the basic concept that we are using here in the exercise 1.6. Students, let us come with the question number 1 of exercise 1.6. Question number 1 is, if x and y are the two sets that number of x that is given you as 17, number of element of the set y that is given you as 23, and students number of x union y that is given you as 38. Now here in this question we have to find out x intersection y. This is our question, students. In this question we have to find out the x intersection y. So because you know that n of x union y, this is equal to n of x, this is n of y minus n of x intersection y. Now students, what you will do, put the values. Their union is given as 38, that is equal to what? This is 17, this is 23 minus n x intersection y. What we will do, students, we will shift this n of x intersection y toward the right hand side. So n x intersection y, this will come as equal to 23 plus 17, this is 40, and we will shift this 38 here, or this will come as equal to 2. Therefore what we can say that n, that is x intersection y, that is equal to 2. students, means while we will do the intersection of x और y, जब भी हम इन दोनों x और y की इंटरसेक्शन करेंगे तो उस केस में हमारे पास जो नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स हैं that will be 2 then, students. So after that let us come with the question number 2, students. Here is the question number 2 that is given to you, students. X and y are the two sets that x union y, here in the next question, x union y, this is given as equal to 18. Number of the element of the set x, that is given as 8. Number of the element of the set y, that is given you as equal to 15. Now once again, students, we have to find out their intersection. So once again what you will do, you will write x union, this is y here, students, x union y, this is equal to number of the element of the set x plus number of the element y minus their intersection, like this. So now we will put the values. This union that is given you as 18, this is equal to 8 plus 15 minus their intersection. Now students, what you will get, n, that is x intersection y, this is equal to 23 minus 18, that is equal to 5. Now in this case, in this question, what you can say, students, the number of the elements of x intersection y, that will come as equal to 8. So by the same way, if you will read the statement of the third question, student, this is same. So let us come with the question number 4 now. Let us come with question number 4, students. If S and T are the two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements and their intersection, that is 11. How many elements does X S union T have? So let us come students, number of the element of S. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए जो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में दिए गए हैं, S के जो एलिमेंट हैं बच्चों, दैट इज इक्वल टू 21. नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट ऑफ T, that is given as equal to 32, and number of S, that is intersection T, that is given as equal to 11. Now in this question we have to find out S union T here students. So what you will do for this question students, because I have told you that is S union T, this is equal to number of element of S, number of element of T minus number of S intersection T we have. So let us see here students, this is to be find out. Now put their values. This is 21, this is 32 minus 11. So what you will see students, 2 plus 1 is 3, this is 53 minus 11, and it will come as equal to 42. Means students, here we can say that the intersection between the union between S and T, that will come as equal to 42. So here what you have seen students, four things you have: union of the two sets, number of the element of the set A, number of the element of the set B, and their intersection. One we can find out. Let us come with the next question. That is your question number 5 here students. Listen the statement carefully. If X and Y are the two sets such that number of the element of the set X, that is given you as 40 here students, and second one is number of X union Y, that is given as 60 students, and after that their intersection, that is X intersection Y, that is given here 10. Now here we have to find out how many element of the set Y having. Means this question is different students. Here we have to find out how many elements are there in the set Y. So let us see students how we will solve this problem. You know that, here is the solution. You know that their union is X union Y. This is equal to number of the element of X plus number of the element of Y minus number of X intersection Y is there. Now we will put the values. This is 60 given to you student, this is 40, and number of the element of the Y set is to be find out, minus this is 10 here students. So 40 minus 10 is 30, 60, that is 30 plus n of Y. Right students? Now we have to find out number of the element of the set Y. This is equal to 60 minus 30, that will come as equal to 30. Therefore we can say that n of Y, that is equal to 30 students, and this 30 will be your answer then students. If you will see students, question number 6 is same. Let us come with question number 7. Listen the statement carefully. In a group of 65 pupils, 40 like cricket. If students we use this C for the cricket, how many like cricket? That is 40 here students. And there are 10 like both cricket and tennis. That is cricket and tennis, their intersection, that is given you as 10 students, and their union, that is given you as equal to 65. Now how many like tennis only and not cricket? First question. Second part is how many like tennis only? So here in this question students, what you will do, first of all we will write in the solution n of C union T, that is equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C intersection T. So what we are doing here students, because this union is given you as 65, this is given you as 40, but how many students like tennis, that is not given here, this is given you as equal to 10. So from here very easily we can find out how many are there. Those like, here 30, those like tennis only, so that is equal to n of T, that will come as equal to 35 here students. This is your first answer, that how many are there they like only tennis. Second is there, how many like tennis only, not cricket. If we have to find out, then in that case here we have to find out, that is how many that like tennis only. Right students, it will come as equal to n of t minus n of t intersection c. So that will come as equal to number of the those who like tennis, that is equal to 35, and their intersection, that is equal to 10, that is given to you students. Because in the intersection both are there, tennis and cricket, but we like only tennis from there. So what you will say, it will come as equal to 35 minus 10, that is equal to 25. So therefore 25 people like tennis and not cricket. So this is the answer of the question number 7 students. Question number 8 is exactly same. Try to solve this question yourself. So students, with that question your this exercise 1.6 is over, and even this chapter is over. So if you will do the practice, students, practice makes man perfect. So you do the practice of this chapter, or very easily you can do the questions in the exam. Thank you very much.